Hi, my name is Alyssa, your pronunciation trainer, and I help people who have problems with their English pronunciation achieve an excellent American accent so they can speak English confidently and clearly. Watch the following demo for free to improve your accent immediately.
And now we'll move on to the N sound. Okay, this is similar to the M. The major difference is your mouth is open. Your tongue is at the top of your mouth, it's at the roof of your mouth. Your mouth is open and you push sound through your nose. Try that. Very good. Okay, here we go. Clean. Can.
Thanks for watching our American Accent Secrets video. My lessons will help you improve your English pronunciation and sound like a native speaker. You'll find a video for every sound in American English. This is just an example of what you can find in American Accent Secrets app. Download American Accent Secrets for free. Find the link in the description.